Men, Satan's big agenda is not the woman, it's the man. Because he knows if he gets the man, he has the whole family. God's big agenda is the man, because if he gets the man, he has the whole. The chances of a woman digressing as compared, I'm not saying they don't, but I'm looking at it in terms of percentage. The chances of a woman digressing as compared to a man is very low. But the chances of a man, or rather, the chances of a woman that if the man is bad, the chances of a woman experiencing bad things is very high. If the man is good, the chances of a woman experiencing good things are very high, and vice versa. So Satan is always after the man. Are you understanding? So Mimi, I will tell you people this, to my brothers, those of you that have a future and they want to build, take care of yourselves. These people will trap you. And once they trap you, they always play the victim.